Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix no sound on Rocket League when a controller is connected. So my controller now is connected. As you can see here, uh, controller is working, but there is no sound. So what you need to do here is to simply press Windows key. Then you need to go to sound settings. On sound settings, you need to scroll down until you see volume mixer. And then here you need to select, as you can see here, it's automatically changed to my controller speakers and input device. So select the right microphone if you want to as well. And then here you need to make sure that your right headphones is selected. So for me is this one, I believe. It was a high definition audio device. And now if I go back on game, as you can see, there is a sound. So yeah, that's basically it what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.